In this video, we'll show you how you can personalize your RF trader. The most basic change to the overall look of the platform is choosing between a dark and a light theme, which you can select simply by clicking this button. You can also customize the chart itself, whether it's the candle colors, the background color, or the indicator colors and their settings. You can do this easily by right-clicking anywhere on the chart and then, in the menu that pops up, clicking Settings. This will open the chart settings window, where you can adjust any details you want to change, colors, time zone, and so on. Once you finish your adjustments, it's important to save a template, because otherwise your changes will disappear. That means, after making your changes, click OK, then in the top bar, click the templates icon. A window will pop up where you name your template and save it. As soon as you save it, when you hover over the templates icon, you'll see that template listed among your set ones. Another important setting is that if you have multiple templates and you want to choose which ones the system opens when you launch the platform, you can set this in the settings icon and select one of the options under template mode. If you check Open all favorite templates, all templates you marked as favorites using this star will open. If you have more than one, multiple windows will open at once. If you don't mark any template with the star as a favorite, you must set template mode to open all templates. If you ever want to uninstall the RF Trader platform in the future, click the three dots in the top bar and select Uninstall RF Trader, and also choose the option to delete all data related to RF Trader from your computer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our customer support, where we'll be happy to help.